check this. This right here are the stairs for the second floor. And they're covered with snow. And let's see. You see that over there? That's my car.